In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to run a code inside of MetaTrader 5. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up MetaTrader 5 like you usually would. And then from here, it should bring something like this. Once you're in here, you'll need to open the metaeditor. And to do that, you'll simply need to go up to Tools and then click MetaQuotes Language Editor. You can also click F4 on your keyboard as a shortcut. From here, it should bring something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the New tab up here and then either select one of these. This doesn't really matter, so let's just click Script for now and then click Edit. From here, you'll need to enter a name and then click Finish. And then from here, it should bring something like this. Now from here, you'll need to paste in the code that you want to add into the specific script for this example. And then from here, once you're done, you'll simply need to click Compile up here or F7 on your keyboard. From here, you'll need to locate the file, just close this down, the editor, and then from here, you'll need to go over to the navigator, and then from here, you'll need to find the specific script that you just created. And to do it, you'll simply need to go down to script or where else you wanted to do it. And then from here, you'll just need to find it and then paste it over to your chart. And then you can click Start Algo Trading. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!